we could wonder if the 11 years Apollo program was a hoax or was for real.
Those questions are only asked by people who do not understand technology.
Hi, this is Vladimir for Global Desk, ImperialDaily.com. Today we have a quest. Elon Musk said that he needs equivalent in fuel for 4-5 rockets type Saturn V, like in 60s, to reach the moon. So we wonder, how come that mankind reached the moon with the one rocket, the most powerful ever built rocket, Saturn V, that was built with 3 stages and consumed roughly for one trip Earth to moon and back, like 3,000 tons of fuel, kerosene mainly for the first stage and then hydrogen for second and third stage, to land on moon with the lunar module and to come back with the service module. And now Elon Musk said that he needs 4 or 5 rockets like Saturn V, equivalent in fuel, to reach the moon. In 60s, the Saturn V was the most powerful ever built rocket, with the principle of 3 stages rocket that needs to propel the lunar module to reach the moon and to come back on a lunar service. First stage consumed the kerosene to reach the altitude of the satellite, and then from there stage 2 and stage 1 propelled the lunar module to reach the surface of the moon and then come back with the service module. So what is the difference for the Starship type rocket that is built in the SpaceX program? The main goal for the Starship is reusability. So the rocket should come back full equipped and to reuse for the next mission. So the Starship has the project for the deep space, even in the first stage moon mission, and then Mars, and then deep space program.
Confirm stabilization.
So the Starship rockets, because they need to come back fully equipped, that means lots of equipment and lots of total mass. So it needs to reach back on Earth safely.
Tell Vladimir, these are the visions of the future.
This is incredible! Are you seeing this? Best commute ever.
So in 60s, the service module reached the Earth coming back by launching the parachute from the very high altitude when entering the atmosphere, and then reach the ocean. And the Starship rocket need to come back on the cosmodrome.
Trajectory is holding steady. Guidance is advising pitch maneuver in 2 minutes.
Roger. Fido, we confirm the geo status for the burn.
Copy that.
Fully equipped. So to oppose the gravity needs a lot of force to slow down the speed to touch down the aerodrome. So if we do the math, we will see that the quantity of roughly 3,000 tons of fuel needed by Saturn V to reach back Earth, only with the service module, the Starship rocket needs 4 or 5 times, because he will be back integral.
Wind speed decreasing. Stand by for contact.
Roger that, Houston. We have positive docking.
So if we do the math, we will see that this type of rocket, Starship, needs like 20,000 tons of fuel, mainly methane. So if we investigate the facts, the science, using the science.
Look, I drew a rocket for you.
It's amazing, sweetheart. I love it. I miss you.
So if we use the math and physics to do the math and to calculate the whole trajectory, we will see that Elon Musk said the truth. So we cannot compare the technology in 60s, that it was awesome by that time, with now technologies that, first of all, Falcon 9 is the type of rocket used to place satellite on orbit. And then will be the rockets, Starship rockets, that will deal with the deep space mission, like Moon mission, like Mars mission. So every time when we see the surface every time when we face a contradiction, we have to address the math and the physics to find the truth.